In this video, what we want to go through is how to drill down or up a particular visual in Power BI. So this is basically what I mean. I can just drill down. So it takes me from here now. I can go to sales by month, year, or by quarter year. Then I go to sales by month, year. Then I go to sales by date. And I can also come over here again, sales by month, year, sales by quarter year, sales by year. And that is basically what we want to go through in this particular video. So how do we do something like this? Ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. In order to do drill down or up a particular visual in Power BI, what we first of all need to do is we need to create an hierarchy. So an hierarchy, we create a field that is going to contain the hierarchy. So for our example now, we are going to have a date hierarchy that is going to contain date, month, year, quarter, and things like that. So basically, that is what we need to do. We need to come to our feed list and we create our hierarchy. There are basically two methods to create hierarchy. I'm going to show us the two methods. The first method is I'm going to open this big calendar. I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on create hierarchy. So once I do this now, we can see now that I have my dates here, which is also different from the date field I have over here. So basically, I need to now start adding all the other fields I want in order of their hierarchy, in the order of how they are. So what I need to do now is I need to add my month year column. I'm just going to right click. I have add as hierarchy, date hierarchy. We can see now that it has been added. We come to quarter year again. We right click, come to add as hierarchy, add to date hierarchy. Then I'm going to add my year, add to date hierarchy. So that is one method of doing hierarchy. Another method is what I want to show us, so which is I'm going to delete this guy. In this case, I'm going to delete it. I'm going to show us how to create an hierarchy or date hierarchy from our model view. So once I come to model view now, I'm basically going to, you can see now that we have our D calendar. I'm still going to right click over here, create hierarchy. The only difference is that once I want to add all these other fields, I can just basically select a column over here and I'm going to add my month here. I select this guy again, quarter here, I select this guy again here. And everything looks good. Everything looks good. So let us assume I have mistakenly selected quarter year before month year. So I can basically change the order of arrangement. So we can change how it is arranged. So in this case, I'm just going to return it to how I want it. And don't always forget to click on this guy, apply level changes whenever you change the order over here. So everything looks good. Now I'm going to come to my report view. I'm going to create a simple column chart. Once I have my simple column chart, what do I do next? What I need to do next is I'm going to just basically check this date hierarchy box. And we can see now that it selects all the feeds inside automatically. And I'm going to come to my F order table and I'm going to select sales. And we can now see now that we have a visual and I can come over here. This button over here, this particular one is what we need. We can go to the next level, go to the next level, go to the next level. So in this case, we are basically drilling down and we can come over here to drill up, drill up, drill up, drill up. So can also repeat the same. So this is for a column chart. Meanwhile, we can also do the same hierarchy stuff with a line chart. So I can convert this column chart to a line chart and I can drill down, drill up, drill up, drill up. Everything looks good. And that is about hierarchy. And it is not only dates we can create hierarchy for. I can come to another field entirely now. I can come to my, where are you? Geography. And we can see now that we have country, region, state. And I can create a state hierarchy. And I'm going to do create hierarchy. I've done that. So I have state now, and I need to add as hierarchy my region. And I can add country to as hierarchy if I have more than one country. So after doing this, let me create a new page for it, and let us make use of a bar chart in this case. So what I do next is I'm going to check this box and I'm going to check sales also. Now we have all our states, and I can basically drill down, everything looks good. So we can see drill down, we drill up. And that is about hierarchy. We can convert it. We can see we can do it for bar charts, can do it for column charts, and everything looks good. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. So this is this, and this is this, and we drill down again, drill down again, and we can apply any formatting that we want to do. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is about drilling down or up in a particular visual in Power BI. So if you have enjoyed, if you have gained something new in this video, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to what? Subscribe, like, and share. At this moment, I'm going to check out, and we see in our next video.